What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Team 63.
What?
Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully I'm not yelling to the mic. I got my AirPods Pro. I can't even hear myself talk. So we're just gonna do a quick little photo shoot. We're just trying to find a good background, little landscape. You know what I mean? We're just trying to get out there and ride and shoot videos, take good pictures. You know, that's what it's all about. Try to enjoy the weekend. We were thinking about not coming because all that gravel on the ground and stuff like that, since it's been raining. But we just couldn't help ourselves with riding up here. So we'll see how this goes. Anyways, we're on our way to our favorite spot here in Silverado Canyon. Woo! It's chilly. I like being out here, like away from the city too. Get some good shots. If you guys haven't seen our last video, we did a 4K drone shot Silverado Canyon. I'll post it up there so you guys can watch that. This is my first time on the R1 into riding it into the canyons, kinda. Where is it at? Spot's like right here somewhere. Oh yeah, the spot's... Oh, hopefully we're able to get it out. Fuck. What do you gotta say about your new jacket?
I like it. Kind of feels a little tight, but I gotta break it in. How does it look?
So you got the Jigzer 600 GXXR. You're gonna fuck up the video with you saying all that.
Welcome to my world. You always mess up my parts by saying beautiful.
Bello. I mess up the videos by clearing my throat all the time. So we're back on. We're gonna go to Cook's Corner and see what we can vlog over there. We're testing out the camera. Oh yeah, I'm recording. Alright, let's get going, guys. So she's never been this far out here. I haven't either, but all the roads are pretty much the same. Damn, there I go again with the coronavirus. It's cool getting out here, not a lot of people. Hopefully we're not overly packed at the restaurant right here, Cook's Corner. We're just gonna go in and out quick. If there's no parking, we'll just keep on going. So we're almost there. I don't know if this was a bad idea to come and do it today, but when it's in the summer, it's really hot. Ooh, we made it. I think she needs help. You need help? We made it to the spot. It's not that bad, huh? I know it is. I was like, hopefully it doesn't rain.
Did you see the rain?
We made it to Cook's Corner. Yeah, the sign.
You got my key, right?
Huh?
You got my key?
Yeah, I got it right here. Behind the scenes. So I haven't taken off my, I'm not following you. I haven't taken off my helmet because I'm recording on the GoPro. We're at Cook's Corner, as you guys can see. Alright, just try to get a corner shot. We'll walk over there by like the street and we'll get a corner shot. Cook's Corner. Vloggers. YouTubers. Tripod, but we're not even using it.
I can't see myself.
Where are we at? Cook's Corner? Up there. Let me see if I can zoom in. Zoom in. There you go. Babe, not you.
Drunk fest.
Drunk fest.
Oh, that one's nice. The fourth one.
Which one? The blue one?
No, the fourth.
Oh, this one right here?
All black.
It's nice. Alright. I had to change the battery because the third party aftermarket, whatever you want to call it, batteries for the GoPro, they don't last long. And I've been noticing I've been losing a lot of good footage because I think that the battery's still good.
Which way can we get out?
We gotta drive around like that straight here. Like I think like the battery's still working and it only records the audio and it doesn't record the actual video. It kind of pisses me off because it takes time to get a video going and for it to not come out the way you want it, you know, it's like it messes up the whole thing. So that's gonna be pretty much it for the video. We're gonna check out Cook's Corner here in Silverado Canyon. Have you guys been here before? Comment down below. You know, just a little Sunday fun ride. It's kind of cold, but we always complain if it's cold. We complain if it's hot. You know, you just gotta gear up for the ride, and that's pretty much it. I thought she was way back there. Hopefully it turns out to be a good video. You know, because it's actually our first time riding all the way to Cook's Corner. If you guys are new to the channel, you guys are barely watching this, their first video, welcome. We're doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that post notification bell to get notified when we're posting videos. If you guys like our Cook's Corner video, a quick little run, make sure you guys smash that like button. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Ride safe. Peace.
I die, put my money in a grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in a place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might